stability. Markets are resilient this week after the Congress Party has proved its strength in the assembly elections held in 5 states. Their hope is that the party would emerge strong enough to form a stable government at center after winning general elections 2019. The immediate appointment of Shaktikant Das as RBI governor in the place of Ajit Patel, who resigned to the post, also cheered the markets as a conflict between the centre and the central bank ended without much damage. The first meeting of the RBI under the chairmanship of the new governor, which has signalled the fast release of 30,000 rupees CR to capitalise banks, further improves the sentiment of investors. The judgment of the Supreme Court that has rejected a probe into the alleged irregularities in the Rafael deal also brings buoyancy to the markets. The IIP growth rate of 8.1 in October is the highest in 11 months. Retail inflation decreases to 2.33, which is the lowest in 17 months. Even the November wholesale price index is lower than 5.28% in October 2018 at 4.64%, a 3-month low. The GST Council meeting on the 22nd of December is expected to shorten the list of goods that fall into the category of the highest slab of 28%. The decision helps inflation to further soften. In the backdrop of the said positive statistics, Shaktikant Das, the new chief of RBI, may cut repo and SLR rates in the coming review meetings. Meanwhile, the USFT on the 18th of December will review its monetary policy. The weekly unemployment rate in America came down to a surprising level that is the lowest in 49 years. Fed may increase the interest rate slightly. During recent weeks, Anil Ambani Group companies lost their market capitalization heavily. Now, with the SC judgment that rejected to probe into the alleged irregularities concerning the Rafael deal, Reliance Naval and Engineering Limited, earlier Pipavav Defence, is to get a big relief in another development. The Department of Telecommunications allowed Reliance Communications of Anil Ambani Group to sell its spectrum and other assets to Reliance Jio of Mukesh Ambani. Earlier the DOT didn't permit the sale, because of which the company forced towards insolvency. As it is getting the no objection certificate from the DOT, the market capitalization of RCOM may witness a small boost. Along with the group companies, shares of Reliance Capital Limited and Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management Company may also witness some gains. After causing big losses and anxiety during the last 3 years, Max India promoters are now taking up the restructuring of the company. They are selling the stake in Max Healthcare, the hospitals division, to private equity firm KKR. Similarly, they are disposing of their shares in the health insurance division Max Bupa to another foreign equity firm True North for 1,500 rupees CR. Because of these factors, Max India share is all set to split and cross 100 rupees. The stock price of KEC Limited melted down 35% during the past 1 year. This company has a strong order book worth 20,000 rupees CR. The counter started attracting and gathering momentum, though slowly. SEBI ordered a forensic audit of accounts of Jet Airways. The Japanese Daiichi is successful in getting Supreme Court order staying the transfer of shares of Fortis Healthcare Limited to IH of Malaysia. One can safely assume that this might be the last straw. The bank officers are proposing a halt on Friday, the 21st of December. The next 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, are weekend holidays. The 25th of December is Christmas holiday. Again, there will be a 1-day strike by the officers protesting the merger of two banks. The F&O settlement will be held on Thursday, the 27th of December. Again, there are the US accounting year closing and assessment of net asset values of MF schemes awaiting in the last week of the current calendar year. Markets will continue to be stable in the coming 2 weeks.